Come here. Oh, hi. Do you want to go play in the backyard? No, the backyard. Let's go. Come on. You're excited. And go. Where'd you go? There you are. Hi. Oh, okay. Ah. Hey. Huh? Look at that face. Hi. That is kind of dangerous. Do you want some ice? Here, Lola, come here. Look at you. You're up to your knees. You don't have knees, but... Here she comes. Hi. Hi. Hey. Stop. Nice to that camera. Hey. Oh, you're gonna get all wet. Oh. Basketball? Get it. Hey. Hi. You're so cute. Look at your little white nose. Look at that. Will you calm down finally? Lola. Hi. Okay, so we have these mattresses here, covered in snow. Ready? Lola. Avalanche! Ah! Arr. Here, have some more. Here, I'm sorry. Here you go. Are you ready to come inside now? Are you ready to come in? Let's go. Come on, I'll take you for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go. You have snow all over your face. Look at me. Yeah? Talk? You want to go for a walk? Yeah. All over your face.